So a 1-bedroom, 1-bath is going for $731. Let's just go see what we're talking about here. Welcome, White Pretty. It's your girl with another video. Y'all know I'm doing my apartment tours, condos, townhomes, rental homes. Just come along because I gotta get out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, and come over to Everything Tish. Okay? Sure. That was an intro. Alright, y'all. So it's day 2 of my apartment, condo, townhomes, rental home searching. June 13th. The first 2 units that I showed, that was in the Carrollton location. The location that I'm going to now is going to be all of Louisville. Hopefully I can knock out all of them. It's only 1:05, so I think I'm starting at a decent time. Yesterday I could only do 1, and I only had 1 Carrollton location on there, and that was the one that was in that first video. So it's time to go. It's time to go. Because this one that I'm going to look at, obviously if I like it, I'm not going to show it. But the move-in date is August 12th. That's my move-out date here. I would like to have the keys to my new place by at least a week before. So this is cutting it. But I am gonna have movers, so let's go. Alright, you guys, so I'm here at Nora. I like the property. It's clean. I know when I was down bad, I was delivering for Amazon. I delivered over here. Matter of fact, I delivered to one of these complexes right here. So let's go check this place out. This is my top one in the area. So fingers crossed I like it. It's 1,400, 700 something square feet. So let's see. Wait, so it's on the first floor?
No, this is just the A5
Oh.
I have to show. The A5 that's gonna be available is gonna be on the 3rd.
I was gonna be so happy, and I'm not even a first floor kind of girl. This is cute. I might have to walk up some stairs then. I love it. And this is a 1-bedroom. So you guys know, this is not what mine looks like, but this is cute. I like this. I like this one. Y'all know how these refrigerators go. Oh, okay, snacks.
If you'd like anything, you can help yourself.
Okay, let's be for real. I like the color of this, right? I thought I was gonna do white. What is this? Like metallic gray?
Well, so we have 2 different color schemes. There's the gray with the white quartz cabinet, countertops, or there's white cabinets with the white quartz countertops. So there's 2 different color schemes. I can look when we get back to see which one that is.
And the one that oh, okay. Oh yeah, I'm in the A3s because the A5 is not available to tour. I like it. I like it's bright in here. And no, my current apartment is 705 square feet. So my width is smaller. What? This is nice. I like this. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Get into it. I feel like I'd be fancy. Obviously, microwave. You know, I really like touring apartments because they give me ideas of what I want. And this is the way I like for my place to look. It looks clean. It doesn't look like too much is in here, but also it's enough. Look, I love this. I like this setup here. Like, I will copy this. I have no problem. I like this. I don't know. Oh, coffee drinkers. This is so cute. I would set my place up like this. I like the rug. I like this place. Now let's go into the bathroom. So this is a king size bed. Oh, and they have the things on both sides. They're literally, this is what I want to do for my new apartment. I like it. Because you guys know I don't play around with the bathroom stuff. You can't, I don't want you coming through my bedroom to get to the bathroom. So I like the fact that it's separated. But they don't have the door on right now because it's a showing. Period. I like this, I really do. I don't know, I feel rich in here. I like this. I like the color, it's different from mine. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom and I'm gonna tell you right now, even though y'all know I do not like my closet in my bathroom either, I would do it for this one. Let me show you guys the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. It is a stand-up shower. Washer and dryer included. It's clean, it's quiet. I really like it. Look, yeah. Bad times. When I call you, it's always bad time. Getting so sick of all of this. Bad times, yeah. When I call you, it's always bad. It's showing off. I like it in here. I feel expensive. When I call you, it's always bad time. The conference area is open 24 hours. Okay, work. Yeah, I like this place, but my camera's dying. So I'm gonna change the battery in the car. But y'all, this is, thank you. I like this place. Let me tell you guys something. I really like that last apartment. So if I apply within 24 hours, I get the first month off and something. I really liked it. This one, so a 1-bedroom 1-bath, 500 square feet, is going for $731. I have on here film for YouTube. I should have went to the other ones that I know I wasn't just filming for, but let's see what this looks like. I can already tell there are no elevators here either, but let's cross our fingers. But this is available, it says 1 unit is available September 7th. Sheesh. Then I'm going to go to the rest that are higher up on my list that I like. Another 1-bedroom 1-bath is going for $1,006. That one has more space. Let's just go see what we're talking about here. I do not think this is gonna be my favorite, but we're gonna check it out. I wanna just see, hello. Hi. Okay, so I'm gonna talk to her. So I just went in, but I don't have an appointment, so I'd have to schedule one. On to the next.